Hello friends, in previous video we can explore button element related to all properties. If you are not seen that video on introduction to entity, I will provide those videos in iCards and the description. You can go through those videos first. In this video today we will see input component like number, password and normal text. Related all properties end to end we can see in this video. Let's get into the video. First importing the input component. Input from entity. I'm using this input. This is the input component. If you want to show some placeholder to this input, have property placeholder. Enter your name. Like this we can show. Currently we need to go back every letter if we want to clear the input. For automatically clearing, we have one property, allowClear. And click on this one. It will come to the initial state. We want to provide any icon to starting or ending, have prefix for starting. We can give any text or anything like this is prefix. Like this we can provide. And also these are prefix and suffix are inside the input before or after having provide any icons or anything. And outside we, if you want to show some buttons or anything, have like we have properties like add on before, add on after. Like this, commenting this one. Prefix and suffix and add on before, add on after. These are similar, but the difference is prefix and suffix are inside the input. It will come, and add on before, add on after is outside of the input, like before and after of input. These are related to input container only, but it will come outside of the input box. These are useful for like we want to provide some kg, 5 kg, 6 kg, 7 kg, like this. It is useful for providing some information. And also we have maxLength property. It will allow only whatever we can give these number characters only, it will allow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It can't allow after that. Only this maxLength characters only it will allow. Whatever user typed in this input box, we can access by using of onChange event. We need to give one function, handle input. I'm writing one function. Here we get event, cast, star equal to event dot target dot value. We have max count, right? So it is not allowing more than characters. If you type also, like this, we can able to access the input, whatever user type in this input box, and we can send to the API calls. And also we have status property like warning and error, like it is warning, error. The border look like in red color. And also in some cases in API calls or something, any actions are going on, we want to disable this input. That time we have one property called disable. You can give like a true or false, one variable. If you give true, this will be disable. False. If it is disable, user can't type in this input box. This is for input. For password, we have input dot password. Like this, we can show and hide. We can restructure also, like const password equal to input. Like this, we can directly use password. And also for numbers, we have type property. Type equal to number. It will allow only numbers. It doesn't allow characters. We can use up and down arrows also. This is allowClear. And for every time one will be incrementing or decrementing. And if we want to increment a specific number, we have step. Given as 2, it will increment 2 characters, like 2. If you click on up arrow, it will go increment to 2. Same decrement also. In input box, we need to allow only particular characters only, like say max length 10. It will allow only 10 digits only. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We can add show count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you add more than that, it will show as a warning. Also, we can give min and max. Min 0 and max 10. Max length to 2 characters. Allow only 10 if you use up and down arrows. But if you enter manually, it is allowing. If you want to restrict particular numbers like 0 to 50 numbers only, user can type or allow like 0 to 100. We can write like this, creating one state const numbers, set numbers equal to use state of initial value I given as null. So we have value property. If you give value, it is a controlled input numbers. Here we can write one if condition. If char greater than or equal to 0 and char less than or equal to 50, then set numbers of char and as numbers from 0 to 50. I am commenting these also. Without min max also it will work fine. See, in console we are getting 87, but input it is not allowing. By this if condition, we can able to restrict particular numbers only. User can type 28. After that, it is not allowing. And also, we have different type of events like on presenter, on focus, on blur. On presenter, when click on enter only, this function will be triggered. Like this. If you want to perform any action after clicking on enter, we can use this event on presenter. Like as on focus and on blur also there. On blur also I am giving same function on presenter. On blur is like when user focus out of this input box, the function will be triggered. The class name property. I given as input box. Like background color, aqua. color navy or black. We can use like this. That's all. This is all about input, password, and text. Thank you so much.